Hi, I'm Mathew Howarth. I'm a Director here at A&A Recycling Services. Today we're at our Meriden recycling facility. This is a key facility for the Jenkinson Group, of which A&A Recycling is a part of. Here we produce two types of product. First one is a biomass product and second is a recycled product as well. The reason we bought the CBI was because of its capabilities in processing high volumes consistently, dealing with contaminants, and also the CBI does what it says on the tin. High pace, high volume, continuously, and whilst dealing with the other factors when processing waste wood. The performance of the CBI is exceptional. Its tonnage throughput per hour is excellent, its capabilities in dealing with contamination is fantastic, and what we've found the biggest advantage to our business is its uptime. Less time in the garage means more time in operations. More time in operations means more tonnes produced, and therefore more opportunities for our business to grow and develop. Dealing with Molson's has been a clean, easy and thorough process. Molson's cover every aspect of machinery supply, so once the shredder's been sold, it doesn't stop there. The after service, we believe, is fantastic. The response to our phone calls, emails, questions and queries is always dealt with in a timely manner, and we couldn't ask for a better service provider.